Hello, I'm Hans Pang, Technical Support Manager for Ruckus Wireless. In the next few minutes, I'm going to demonstrate some new home networking technologies. Service providers and content aggregators are now delivering voice, video, and data to consumers over a single broadband connection. The question then becomes, how do consumers best distribute this content throughout the house? Today we are demonstrating 3 technologies: Powerline, Pre-N Wi-Fi, and the Ruckus Smart Wi-Fi system. We'll be streaming IPTV signals across a home, first over the power or infrastructure, then over Pre-N Wi-Fi, and finally over the Ruckus system. By doing this, we'll be able to determine the quality of the video transmission over each medium. Typically, the broadband IP connection coming into the home is never near the television. To simulate this, we place the video server and the APs in the basement office where the broadband gateway often resides. Here, we have a video server running VideoLAN software to emulate a multicast stream coming in over a DSL network to the broadband gateway. The video format is MPEG-2 running at 5 to 8 megabits per second. Receiving the stream is an IP set-top box in the living room that's connected to the TV. The distance between the broadband gateway and the set-top box in this case is approximately 50 feet, spanning 2 floors with steel beams and 3 standard walls. The first technology under test is a 200 megabit rated Powerline adapter. Despite the speed, the issue running video over IP is not the theoretical bandwidth, but rather the reliability of that bandwidth. Here, we have an Ethernet to Powerline adapter connected to the video server in the office. And in the living room, we have the same adapter connected to the set-top box. The video server will transmit an IPTV stream to the set-top box 50 feet away over the power lines that run throughout the home. So let's go upstairs and see what the video signal looks like. As you can see, the results from the Powerline system are not desirable. Powerline usually works well over a short distance within the same room, but it is not a reliable and consistent solution for video streaming across the entire home. In our next test, we installed a new Pre-N Wi-Fi system. The AP is connected via Ethernet to the video server in the office. This AP then transmits the traffic over the air to a Wi-Fi enabled set-top box in the living room, as well as to a Centrino-based laptop that we'll use to roam around the house. Using the Pre-N Wi-Fi system that we've installed, there are so many artifacts that the video is virtually unwatchable. As we move from room to room with this Centrino-based laptop associated with a Pre-N Wi-Fi access point, we can see that the video remains inconsistent and unreliable. Even these new and expensive high-end Wi-Fi systems have problems with streaming video over distances, especially in the presence of interference from other wireless devices and nearby Wi-Fi networks. Now we've replaced the Pre-N Wi-Fi gear with the Ruckus system. The Ruckus Wireless router integrates the Smart MIMO antenna and QoS technologies. Here, the wireless router is attached to the video server. Upstairs, a Ruckus adapter connects to the set-top box via an Ethernet cable. Having Ruckus equipment at both ends of the connection gives users the best reliability possible. Still, Ruckus equipment works well with all standard 802.11 products and is not needed at both ends of the connection. So we've come upstairs one last time to see the results, and as you can see, the video quality using the Ruckus system remains picture perfect. And with the Ruckus BeamFlex and SmartCast technologies, it'll stay picture perfect even if you move or if the environment changes. So let's do that. With this Centrino-based laptop associated with our Ruckus wireless router, you can see that the video quality remains consistent, even as we change locations and move around among this 7,000 square foot house. With Wi-Fi from Ruckus Wireless, you now eliminate the tedious, time-consuming, and expensive chore of wiring installation and enjoy the benefits of richer multimedia content coming from the broadband network, anywhere, anytime. Ruckus Wireless. Believing is seeing.